there are fields of expertise for the chemical process engineer. So the main ones are research and development. It is when we work at the first stages of the development of a new process. We have the plan design, is that when we get what was imagined, what was conceived in the research and development department, and we need to scale up to start producing in big scale, thousands of cubic meters per hour, tons of products per day, and etc. So when we are in the research and development area, we are talking about studies and theories and evaluation and discovery of new materials, process, and things relate to that. When we go to plant design, we need to build the plant. We need to be able to start a plant, start the production, and within the cost and within the schedule that it is proposed. So besides that, once the plant is running, we have the field of expertise operations, the chemical process engineer that focus on plant design not necessarily has all the skills desired in the operations field of expertise, but operations is very, very important because once the plant is running, it must be kept running or producing with as less energy as possible or with as much production as possible. But not only that, we have another field of expertise that is process safety. The process safety is very interesting because it has a relationship with operations, it has a relationship with design, and depending on the size of the company, the process engineer can be responsible for, can work with plant design and process safety, or can work with operations and process safety, or can work exclusively for process safety. There are companies that has process safety engineer consultants to help companies to deal with this kind of expertise. And another big area that we have as chemical process engineers is the quality area. The quality is very important also because once your product is finished, you need to sell it to the market, and the market required quality to be achieved. Sometimes we need to deal with regulations, and in many cases we have a specific person to deal with the quality. And as we are talking about chemical process, petrochemical process, most often the person responsible for the quality is a chemical process engineer. So although the main rule of chemical process engineering is performing, developing, and upgrading new process, when we go deeper in the responsibilities and rules of a chemical process engineer, you will identify that it's possible to follow some fields of expertise. And you need to be aware about that in order to be able to prepare yourself for the job market.